outside, Bill.
Nice day. Lots of sunshine. Mother Nature delivering some of the heat. See what I did there?
Absolutely.
You like that?
Yes.
You like that? All right, so we're going to get a little drop in humidity. We'll talk air quality, we'll talk rain chances, and we'll look at some pretty good downpours on radar right now. Let's look over Calaveras Lake to get things started. It is a hazy sunshine once again, so I want to update air quality. Already getting a hint that tomorrow we're going to have some bad ozone. It's a warm 93, feeling like 95, so the south and southeast wind has picked up that dew point from yesterday's mid to upper 50s to now lower to mid 60s, and that is a big difference. All right, so the haze still producing a moderate air quality for San Antonio, still unhealthy for sensitive groups in Austin. It's better air quality Victoria, Corpus Christi, moderate, along with Laredo, Houston. So we could watch this closely because it could deteriorate again tomorrow. Tomorrow, an ozone action day alert has been issued. Here's how you need to spare the air of bad ozone on Wednesday. Mow your grass or refuel after 6. Both of these put some bad emissions in the atmosphere, and especially if it's between 2 and 6 p.m., the heat of the day, then you cook up a lot of bad ozone. Try to carpool or take the bike or walk if you can, and avoid the drive-through. Try to go inside. If you sit and you idle, that's a lot of bad emission getting cooked up into bad ozone for us to be breathing. All right, the radar looks pretty clear from this view. In fact, we've got some flood warning concerns out in far west Texas, but a closer view at some isolated downpours. Look at Gonzales. That's a thunderstorm expanding a bit right on top of you. Nothing severe, but some very heavy rain. Got an isolated pocket of rain just outside of Bernie, drifting to the southwest towards Bandera. A lot of this generated to our east southeast, and you can see some pretty good downpours around Victoria. A few thunderstorms already out of the picture, then trying to move in towards Beeville, George West, Three Rivers, and you can see again they're also kind of raining themselves out. So it's real hit and miss on these sea breeze showers. We're going to get a push of some dry air on Wednesday. So dew points now in the mid 60s and even closer to 70 at the coast. They'll go up overnight and early tomorrow, but then by this time tomorrow we're expecting them to drop into about upper 50s or 60-degree range. So I think we'll drop rain chances along with it for Wednesday. We'll see a couple of pop-up showers the remainder of this evening, but once we get the sun down, it'll be dry. Then tomorrow, mostly sunny, 93, no chance of rain on Wednesday, and not much rain in our foreseeable future. The 7-day rain forecast has us at about a 1/10 of an inch. Not very much, so please remember the aquifer took a big hit of nearly a foot down from yesterday to today, and I want to just remind you of stage 2 watering rules. You can water once per week based on your address, and remember the 7-11 rule. You can only put the sprinklers on between 7 and 11 a.m. or 7 to 11 p.m. 7-day forecast from La Villita. We've got highs around 93 tomorrow, lower 90s to wrap up the work week, and that's when we'll bring in the chances of rain. Right now, a 30% chance of some scattered showers Friday, 20 on Saturday, 10% chances to start next week. So no big chances. These are just isolated showers. Not much rain in the forecast. So Lana, how are you?
I'm well.
I see a baby in the forecast.